Discover the beauty and luxury and all the amenities in the prestigious community of Tarpon Gardens situated in Tarpon Point Marina. If you are looking to right-size your living space and live life to the fullest, this number 102 open floor plan with so much light and sunshine is perfect. Enjoy entertaining on your screen lanai while watching the breathtaking sunsets over the lake. The Tarpon community offers security, safety and much more. Entertainment in the gardens at the Tiki Hut near pools and also more entertaining and fine dining, great restaurants, shopping on the Tarpon Point Promenade, with gorgeous views of well-known Tarpon Point Marina. Move-in ready. Perfect rental investment for on-season or annual. Furniture furnishings are negotiable. A C unit changed out April 17, 2015.